Imagine an AI system that doesn't just generate images, but actually evolves its own ideas. Welcome to the AI prompt evolution engine for ComfyUI, an experimental workflow designed to simulate creative evolution using artificial intelligence. Instead of writing a single prompt and hoping for the best, this system generates multiple prompt mutations at the same time. Each variation explores a different creative direction, atmosphere, composition, lighting style, and cinematic mood. One prompt may produce a dramatic sunrise over a mountain village. Another may evolve into a foggy cinematic landscape after rain. A third may discover hidden ancient settlements surrounded by forests and terrain realism, and a fourth may push toward ultra-photorealistic drone-style reconstruction. The idea is simple but powerful. Generate, compare, mutate, improve, repeat. With every iteration, the workflow helps you discover stronger prompts, better aesthetics, and more cinematic visual results. This is where prompt engineering starts to resemble evolutionary AI systems and genetic algorithms, where only the strongest visual ideas survive into the next generation. The workflow uses SDXL-based image generation, multiple parallel prompt branches, randomized seeds, cinematic realism prompts, and visual comparison outputs directly inside ComfyUI. Perfect for AI artists, prompt engineers, terrain generation, thumbnail creation, cinematic concept art, photorealistic landscapes, and experimental autonomous creativity workflows. This is not just image generation anymore. This is AI-driven creative evolution. The workflow download link is available below this video.